Hi everyone, I am Kaushik Murli and I am excited to introduce you to my solo Economics 2025 project, the EconoSage. EconoSage is your multilingual AI tutor for finance and economics. Whether you want to learn concepts, do real time calculations, or fetch live market data, just ask, calculate, and learn all in one place. So, why EconoSage? Today, finance is often hard to access, filled with complex jargon, mostly available in English and split across multiple tools. Students and professionals alike struggle to connect theory with real world numbers. EconoSage solves this by combining AI powered explanations, live financial calculations, and real time data from trusted sources, all accessible in your native language. So, how does this work? You ask a question in any language, say inflation rate in India for 2023, and EconoSage does the rest. It detects the language, understands if it's a theoretical question, a financial formula, or a data fetch query. It uses tools like Gemini for explanations, Python powered modules for calculations, and APIs like Yahoo Finance or World Bank to pull real time data. Finally, it responds in your own language with clear reasoning, accurate results, and full transparency. So, let's begin with a simple conceptual question. What is inflation and how does it affect consumers? So, what is inflation and how does it affect consumers? EconoSage identifies it as a theoretical query and uses Google Gemini to provide a clear contextual explanation. It doesn't just define the term but explains its impact with real time relevance, perfect for learners or non experts. So, as you can see, you get the explanation along with an example. So, just to look at how it works, let's look at the debug window where here you can see Gemini rephrased output. It detects it as theoretical and then correspondingly works and fetches the results. So let's try out another query so that we'll do a computation. So let's calculate compound interest. So I'll just choose the second prompt where it says calculate compound interest. The principal is 5,000, the rate of interest is 5%, tenure is 3 years, and n equal to 4. So EconoSage actually parses this formula, extracts the parameters, and then runs the math in the backend using Python and returns both the computed result and a clear step by step breakdown. Whether you are a student or an analyst, this helps you not just get the numbers but understand how it was derived. So, as you can see, here's the calculation and the explanation, and we look at the debug output. So, here you can see, yeah, now here you can see Gemini rephrased output where it detects it as formula and then the corresponding parameters are fetched. So that's how the computation works. Now let's try another case where we give a multilingual capability using a French query to fetch the price of Tesla stock. So this is the French query pertaining to finding Tesla stock price. So here the chatbot detects the language as French, translates the query, fetches Tesla's latest stock price from Yahoo Finance, detects that the user is in France and converts the results to euros using live exchange rates, and then responds back in French. That's smart, seamless, and local, all in one answer. So as you can see, you have the result fetched in French and in euros. This is the value of one Tesla stock price. So we can look at the debug correspondingly, where you can see it is data fetch, where it needs to get the stock price. Company name is Tesla, and it's translated, and the local currency is euros. So that's how it works. And again, translating back from English to France. And that's EconoSage, a solo built multilingual AI tutor that makes finance more accessible, explainable, and real time for everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the demo.